subscribe. Sounds
Hello, my friends at FINRA. This is Darrell Andrews, Coach D, and I'm excited in a few weeks to be your facilitator for our Empowering Self-Care in the Workplace workshop / coaching sessions. We have been sharing this information almost nonstop since the pandemic lifted, because what we have found is that post-pandemic, the significance and increase of there's been a significant increase in the areas of trauma, depression, um, burnout, a variety of different things that have taken place in the workplace and beyond. And so our plate has been pretty full with this particular workshop and our multiple coaching sessions as well. But the purpose of this quick video is to tell you that it's going to be an engaging, hands-on workshop. We're going to be sharing some information that's going to be eye-opening as it relates to self-care that leads to wellness. One of our premises is simply that self-care is a precursor to wellness. And what people typically don't get is we talk about wellness, but you can't get to wellness without self-care. I always say this: if something happens to us medically, the first thing a doctor tells us is to get rest. And so our hope is that via our training and coaching, that we'll see things like rest as a priority, fitness as a priority, emotional intelligence as a priority, the type of things that help us to become strong from a wellness perspective, but it takes self-care to get there. So it's going to be an engaging, fun, hands-on workshop. Please, if possible, get a journal. It doesn't have to be an expensive one. You can go to one of the drugstores and get one, because what I'm going to want you to do is journal your self-care activities. Because my ultimate goal, and I'll end with this, is that by going through this workshop, that self-care will be just as important as customer care. In companies and organizations worldwide, we place a lot of emphasis on customers. But the people in the trenches doing the work, we need to care about their health, their vitality, and their wellness. So come prepared to have a good time, learn, and implement strategy. And I'll say this: motivation without information is simply a good conversation. So we want to motivate you. We want to give you some good information so that you can make self-care a priority. We have a 3A framework you'll hear about. There's a process, there's a system. You'll learn some really neat things as it relates to self-care. We look forward to seeing you in a few weeks. Come prepared. Take care.